Shall we all shout together at once? Yes, we are going to meet in 2030 in the US.
That's a whole sentence.
Yeah.
Yes.
2030 US.
Yes, 2030 US.
2030 US.
Yes.
Okay.
Are we going to do it together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
2030 US. Yes. Thank you. We must do, coaches. See, I'd like to share my experience, the transformation, what I felt these just 2 days before in the 6th annual formation day. When I conducted a 3rd formation day in Bangalore 2023, I was alone and Dr. Sarah was with me, co-founder of this foundation. She came from the US as a guest. My community made me to learn many things, how to manage my job and society and finance and everything made me to learn and experience only this foundation and the community. That is the power of foundation and community. And the transformation what I see, 23, 24 and 25, sharEvery was alone. We only spent from our pocket. I must give credit to all my team members, presidents or working committee or sharEvery steering committee members. They joined their hands financially, physically, mentally, and when we direct or indirect. But this year we saw a new thing. The community or networking schools came forward voluntarily for getting involved. On day one, we only spend for some resources, but the community only served food, school community only given their premises to use and everything, the community. And day two was so wonderful, and the children, staff, management, when we go consistently or collaboratively like this, very soon in short time we can make the world look towards us. That's the reason I'm requesting to conduct not just only India. When we conduct or spread our word and visions and missions to different parts of the world, definitely we can transform to the world.
I'm just thinking bigger. So as you start to look at this bigger, and some of the people that you have that are sharEvery's already, they might not be willing to go to that level. So you have to be willing to lead forward and go there. And remember that you still have a space for them because they can still be a part of the virtual audience, but they might not have the resources to be able to serve at that level. But then again, this is something bigger that's going to grow as we go. So you still continue to do your virtual the way that you're doing, but you having to come out of this in the negative, you don't want to make that the norm.
Even someone is watching these things that we're doing now, and someone wants to sew in to sharEvery Foundation because they like the vision, they like the work that you're doing. It doesn't matter if they're in New York, it doesn't matter if they're in Nigeria, it doesn't matter if they're in Nellore.
And you do a great job. It's not that you, and it's no longer proof of concept. You're beyond proof of concept.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're beyond proof of concept. I wouldn't be rolling with you long enough if it wasn't excellence at the level that you are. But I believe there's a requirement for you to go to another level.
You can't stay here,
Yes.
right? Because staying here doesn't get you where you need to go here. Staying here will only attract what's here. But this door, this level, you have to go up. If you don't, you're going to be stuck here. And this can only attract this.
And
Right.
the thing that you're dealing with, because you are a leader, you lead from the front. You have to stand before the people, right? So the part of you standing before the people is that you are showing them what the new life looks like. So you can be a leader who leads, or you can choose to be a martyr. We don't want you to be a martyr. We don't want you to die in the vision. We want you to be able to lead forward. And then you leading forward, you're motivating them to move forward to the new level. So you're showing them what that new level looks like. So you're going to have to step out. And right now, the people that are going to come and connect with you after us are going to blow us away in the skills and the resources. Why? And the only way that you can do that is to continue to go to the next level.
Can I give you a word? Soar. So there's something about the eagle in chickens, right? I was on somebody's platform. So chickens eat what's in front of them. Chickens can only do things that are right around them. But the eagle is able to be up thousands of feet from off the ground and keep his eye on a target. He's able to soar. He don't fight the wind. He glides on the wind. He soars, and everybody lines up behind him because he is focused on what's in front of him, what's ahead of him, and he soars. So that's the difference between a chicken and an eagle. So it's very important. Eagles don't eat the same things chicken eat. So they don't even dine in the same area. They don't even think the same way. With chickens are still trying to be on breast milk. Eagles are dining.
Corns and kernels.
Right? Yeah, they're eating this, but the eagle dines. There's a difference in eating and dining.
Yes. Amazing. We are all declaring and we are all going to meet with a purpose, a plan, and with a huge dream to collaborate in 2030 in the US. We also feel very, very happy.